house of Bondiana. Nagwara-wara sa mater-ere. Sabi na, nanasin mo na ba ang good famous and nuclear laruan? Sa gitna ng Belganel. Ay, siya. At air oxygen. It's a plastic recyclable.
Welcome back to Mr. Organelle 2008. So we have So basically, all cells fall into one of the two major classifications of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So the candidates wearing in blue sash compose the prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are unicellular organisms. They don't have nuclear membrane as well as a membrane-bound organelle, and hence they have simple internal structure. However, the candidates wearing in red sash compose the